Welcome to the world of the new modern kitchen, where innovation meets functionality and style. In today's fast-paced world, the kitchen has transformed into a hub of activity, a place where culinary artistry and social gatherings seamlessly merge. Gone are the days of traditional, cluttered kitchens. The new modern kitchen embraces clean lines, minimalist design, and smart technology. The emphasis is on creating a space that is not only visually appealing but also highly efficient and practical. One of the defining features of the new modern kitchen is the use of sleek materials such as stainless steel, glass, and high-quality laminates. These materials not only exude a sense of sophistication but also offer durability and easy maintenance. The kitchen surfaces are now smooth, reflective, and resistant to stains, making cleanup a breeze. Innovative storage solutions are another hallmark of the new modern kitchen. Designers have ingeniously utilized every inch of space, incorporating clever storage options like pull-out cabinets, vertical shelves, and hidden compartments. These ingenious designs ensure that everything has its designated place, reducing clutter and maximizing organization. The new modern kitchen also embraces smart technology to enhance the cooking experience. Smart appliances, such as refrigerators with built-in touchscreens, allow you to browse recipes, create shopping lists, and even control other devices in your home. Induction cooktops offer precise temperature control and rapid heating, making cooking more efficient and safe. Voice-activated assistants, integrated lighting systems, and automated faucets add an extra layer of convenience to the kitchen space. Open floor plans have become increasingly popular in modern homes, and the kitchen is no exception. The new modern kitchen seamlessly integrates with the rest of the living area, blurring the boundaries between cooking, dining, and entertaining. Lighting plays a crucial role in the new modern kitchen, both functionally and aesthetically. Natural light floods the space through strategically placed windows and skylights, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Pendant lights and under-cabinet LED lighting fixtures add a touch of elegance while ensuring adequate task lighting for food preparation. In terms of color palettes, the new modern kitchen embraces a range of options. While neutral tones like whites, grays, and blacks remain popular, vibrant accent colors are also making a statement. Bold blues, greens, or even metallic finishes can add a pop of personality to an otherwise minimalist design. Ultimately, the new modern kitchen is a harmonious blend of form and function. From its sleek materials to its innovative storage solutions and smart technology integration, the new modern kitchen is a testament to the ever-evolving world of interior design and the pursuit of creating the perfect culinary haven. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the world of interior design. We hope you found inspiration, ideas, and valuable insights to transform your living space into a personalized oasis of beauty and functionality. Remember, whether you're working with a small budget or have the freedom to splurge, the key to creating a truly remarkable interior lies in understanding your own style, incorporating elements that bring you joy, and constantly evolving your space to reflect your ever-changing tastes.
As we come to the end of this video, I want to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, my amazing subscribers. Your support and engagement mean the world to me, and I am truly humbled by the opportunity to share my passion with such a wonderful community. Whether you've been following along since the beginning or have recently joined our journey, your presence here is invaluable. Your likes, comments, and shares inspire me to keep creating content that I hope brings value and enjoyment to your lives. I want to encourage you to continue sharing your thoughts, ideas, and feedback in the comments section. Your input helps me understand what content resonates most with you and allows me to tailor future videos to better meet your interests and needs. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from our channel. And if you haven't already, be sure to follow us on our other social media platforms for even more content and behind-the-scenes updates. Thank you once again for your incredible support. I look forward to continuing this journey together and creating more meaningful and engaging content for you all. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.